Hello everyone, let's learn how to crochet this triangle ring. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. Now after slip knot, we will make 30 chain crochet stitches. It's like I am taking 30. It depends on you. Take in multiples of 3. Okay. I'll just complete this 30 chain crochet stitches. Now here we are done with a chain of 30 chain crochet stitches. Now we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So we get a big ring. This here we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. There we go. Now after that we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, now this 3 chain crochet stitches we will consider it as a first double crochet stitch. Now in stitch number 1 itself we will make 5 double crochet stitches. It is stitch number 1, stitch number 11 and stitch number 22. In these 3 stitches we will make 5 double crochet stitches, and rest all stitches we are going to make 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch. Okay, so just remember stitch number 1 you have to make 5 double crochet stitches in that one stitch itself. Stitch number 11 again 5 double crochet stitches in one stitch itself, and stitch number 22 5 double crochet stitches in one stitch itself, and remaining all the stitches you are going to make 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch. I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. See, now here we are completely done with our triangle. Now we will just join our first double crochet stitch and last double crochet stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, just skip those 3 chain crochet stitches which we made right in the starting, and the first double crochet stitch after that, join that and last double crochet stitch with the slip stitch. Now see, in stitch number 1, 11 and 22 we made 5 double crochet stitches. So out of those 5, middle one or the third double crochet stitch, we are going to make 2 chain crochet extra in all 3 stitches. Out of those 5 double crochet stitches, the middle double crochet stitch or third number double crochet stitch, we are going to make 2 chain crochet extra, and rest all stitches we are going to make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. I am showing you quite slowly, so just look at it. See, now I came to that third double crochet stitch, middle double crochet stitch, I made 2 chain crochet extra, and from next stitch again I will start making 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. So when I will reach 11th stitch where I made 5 double crochet stitches, there again I will when I come to that middle double crochet stitch, out of 5, third double crochet stitch, I'll make 2 chain crochet extra, and from next stitch again I will start making 1 slip stitch in each single stitch, and this you have to do all around. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now we are done with the outer border. Now we will work on the inner border, that small border inside triangle. We will make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch inside. So either you cut the yarn and join it again on the inner border, or else you pull that same yarn but pull it quite long so you get it, you don't mess with the design. Okay, and now we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch in the inner triangle, inner small triangle, so we get a very precise shape of triangle. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now that's our final piece. So this is how a crochet triangular ring is made. I hope so you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos, plus many new videos are already there on my YouTube channel. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. And if you have already subscribed, thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.